So I was gonna bring, wow, look at all these VO Ride. These are the ones, bicycles that I showed before around town. The rental bikes. Looks like their whole, looks like their whole fleet is in here. Look at it. Wow. Anyways, what I was gonna say is the scrapyard across the street, down the street from where I live, is closed. And today I was gonna plan on bringing in a bunch of stuff. So I'll probably just bring a few loads down here. This load here is just a bunch of skivel. I just brought some cheap stuff down here. I wasn't sure if they're open, but I mean, it's stuff I need to get rid of anyways. But isn't that interesting? I'll see what the deal is with that. Unless they have updated to a new bike,
all right, let's get
maybe.
that strap. Pull on up a little bit more.
Hey, what's all these bikes?
Those are sold.
They go out of business?
Something like that.
A customer came in and bought them all? You bought them all?
Not all of them, but that's a customer.
Yeah, oh yeah?
I got 4 or 5
Yeah?
over here.
That ain't bad. I wonder if they're upgrading to electric bikes.
The kids are being too rough on them. They all have broken pieces on them.
Yeah? I wondered about that. He said the college kids are beating them up too bad. I wondered about that, how many miles they had to get out of them before they paid for themselves. And then even after that, it's going to be constant maintenance. That was one of my questions. How long they'll hold up? They went out of business. Electric scooters have moved into town. I wonder if the electric scooters really took a chunk out of their business, maybe, on top of everything else they're having to deal with. Those hoods off those cars must be aluminum. I'll take a little value on this load now that I know they're open. Batteries are always good. Hopefully the prices come up a little bit. Got a nice little stack of them going. Here came out of a electric wheelchair doohickey. For those of you that saw that video, nice piece of scrap. If you watched a recent video of mine, I found this guy. It looks like he's pretty nice. I haven't plugged it in yet. Wheel came off, but I got the nut and bolt for it. Just throw that back on. But I got to looking at it, and I don't know, I should plug it in before I talk about it. I wasn't planning on talking about it in this video, but look at this. I still got the brand new factory tape, or plastic over the gauges. So this guy might have a good chance of working. I'll have a look at that here in the near future. Battery shop action. 124. So I took that scrap load down there already. I didn't show that. They're getting picky on their brass. I got to clean that up a little bit to get clean price. It's got the safety screws in there, so I don't want to hold up the line. But 124 pounds. If it's 20 cents a pound, that's $24.80. Let's see what the price is. Hopefully it's 20 cents. Batteries are up to 20 cents. That's good news. I'll at the end of the video, I'll show my day's total on everything. The scrapyard closes for lunch from 1 to 2, so I'm back home taking a little pit stop, getting some lunch. And sold this book yesterday on Amazon for $99.98. I listed this years ago, but it's from the Department of Navy, Naval Facilities Engineering Command, Alexandria, Virginia. Approved for public release. It's from like 1983, and some dude, USA CE Technical Library, Rock Island, Illinois, snatched that up. I think they're gonna put that in a library. But if you're new to scavenging, if you want to go around YouTube, there's tons of different things that you might never think of. And these books, selling books on Amazon is one of them. And I normally just sell textbooks for college and high school. But anytime you come across an old book or a like an old math book or something like this, where it's really never going to change, you always want to have a look at it. The thing I like about Amazon is these books are so easy to stack and store, and you can just forget about them. And a couple years from now, I might just sell, you know. But it's not like eBay where you need to keep relisting over and over, blah, 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 blah. Amazon, it's free to list. You list it, it's there forever until it sells or you get rid of it yourself. For those of you that might be interested in selling some books on Amazon, I'm going to show you how I wrap these up real quick, real nice for shipping. I use the natural crease on that side. First thing I'll do is mark it like so. Just make like a capital T on those measurements. So it's gonna look something like that right there. Then you fold the tabs. One drawback to that book deal on Amazon though is, so I sold that for $99.98, just call it $100, and I only got $82 and some change after the Amazon fees. Shipping was $3.99, so it was $103.97 is what the person paid for it. And it cost me $3.16 to ship out of the $3.99. So I actually made a little money off shipping too. And I still only made $82 and some change. So that's $17 in fees, over $17 in fees. And $100 is a good example. If there's anyone out there that's experienced selling on Amazon, that's a 17% selling fee. And that's way too high than what they advertise. If you go in their facts and look, 17% is way too high, and they do that to me all the time. The reason I don't really mind a whole lot is that I don't have anything invested in this, you know. It's just all pure profit for me, so I don't really I mean, I don't know if there's anything I could do about it anyways. But if there's any experienced Amazon sellers out there, I forgot my gloves, let me know what I can do about that, if there's anything I can do. And let me know if you guys have been getting charged like that too. I don't know if Amazon's doing that to everybody or what, but if they've been doing that to a bunch of people for a long time, they could that could be billions and billions of dollars they owe people. Considering he's the richest, Jeff Bezos is the richest guy on the planet. It would be kind of interesting. I don't know. I don't even know how to get a hold of their anyone. I don't even know how to get a hold of anyone on Amazon to even talk to them about it. You would think of such a successful company would have a really good customer service platform, but I don't even know how to get a hold of anyone. But anyways, like I said, it's pure profit for me, so it's not that big of a deal. But for people out there that like college kids that buy their textbooks, if I had $100 invested in that, you know, and I sell it for 82, I'm losing money, you know. But anyways, so with this one, I'm gonna get an acceptance scan. I don't want the post office to fumble finger this one. They're a lot better than they used to be. Years ago, that they would lose lots of stuff. Well, they didn't give away free tracking numbers. And I think a lot of times people on eBay would just claim they didn't get it. But they fixed that problem with tracking numbers. So, but anyways, $100. I'm not gonna mess with it. Make sure it gets there on time. 6, 3, 6, 3, 6.
Yep, sir.
I just need to get acceptance scan on there.
There you go.
Hey, thanks, man.
All right.
Hey, thanks a lot. So for those of you that aren't familiar, if you're interested in doing this, I know a lot of people, this is just bunk information. Well, not bunk, but useless information. But if you're getting into Amazon and eBay, if you haven't done it, then now might be a good time in history to start doing it. You might get your little business going. Self-employed, that's the way you take care of COVID-19. But UPS tracking number right there, that's the tracking number, and they call that an acceptance scan. So that will, Amazon will have that information right away loaded up to them. And if you're going to get involved in Amazon, you don't want to mess around. You want to ship everything on time. I mean, you want to ship everything on time with eBay too, but so here's the deal. First of all, I want to appreciate the people that have sent me a couple tips. $50 Walmart card, which was awesome. Thank you. Thank you very much. And then got another tip today in the mail. Someone just sent me 40 simoleons. I appreciate that very much. I like working for tips. Thank you. I gave my address out once or twice a while back. And I sure appreciate that. Thank you very much. Okay, so that's that. I'm going to mention that. And then here's the money I made from the 3 trips to the scrapyard today. Let's see how I do. I spent some change, like $1 already. So. What is going on? What? What is it? It's something new in the apartment. Everybody come sniff it. That's about 48 in cash or so. Fuzz likes tips too. He says he can get a big bag of kibbles. That's 2 big bags of kibbles for Fuzz. So, like if I've given out some information and you've made some money and thought it was helpful, I really don't mind getting tips. You can tip me in my PayPal tip jar down in the description if you want, if that's easier. But anyways, appreciate it. I also appreciate everyone else watching very much. Hi, baby, come here. You want to come here? Hi, there she is. There she is. Hi, baby cook. You want to sniff it? Sniff it. Sniff it. You want to sniff it? Sweetie pie, you want to sniff this? Merle, sniff it. Come on, Fitz, sniff it. Sniff it. Grizz, you want to sniff it? Sniff it. Pretty. You want to sniff it? Sniff it. Okay, everybody sniff. You want to sniff it again? You want to sniff it again, do you? Everybody come sniff it. Sweetie pie, sniff it again. Want to sniff it again? Okay. You want to sniff it? Wait a second. Wait a second. You want to sniff it? Come on. You want to sniff it? You sniff it? You want to sniff it? Sniff it. Little tourist attraction action. War Eagle Mill. Right when I turned the camera on, a bug flew in my ear, so let me get that. Okay, let's go. Little historical bridge here. I'm not sure of the history of this place. Oh, there's a bunch of water in here. That's good. It's supposed to be really good fishing. Let me get you a look at where we're at here. There's just people all over the place. That's probably overfished. Yeah, the wheel's not turning. Looks like it's shut off. I guess there's a huge cave out here too. I'm here after hours, everything's closed. But I guess there's quite a bit of history around here. Supposedly the Spanish hid a bunch of treasure in these caves a long time ago. I mean, I'm sure it's all gone by now, but I'm not sure of all the history. Oh, I got some rattle going on. That's annoying stuff, isn't it? Okay, take care of that. So today, it's just gonna be this. Some old-time saloon action, it looks like. What do you think? I'd like to be able to explore that. That would make a good video. The windows are super old in that thing and everything. That looks like the original deal. What do you think, Pooch? Huh? Yeah. She's been asking me for a little outdoors adventure. So now we're going, babe. What do you think? Huh? What do you think? I know. It's exciting. I smell a lot of stuff. I smell good stuff. Come on, let's go. Well, how'd you get to be such a good pooch? Huh? You just born that way? Catch anything? Nah. Have you fished here before?
Yeah, I have.
Have you caught stuff here before? Yeah? Can I get a drink? Go ahead. Yeah, it's super slippery. What do you think, Pooch? Huh? You gotta shake it? I'm pretty sure this place is extremely overfished. It's just a little pool of water. I mean, it's connected to the river, but people swimming around here and stuff. Oh. But I'm going to find some good holes on this thing and start publishing to my other channel. At least I got the pooch out here. Huh? You got probably dead fish, huh? Come on, let's go. Come on, come on. At least I got the pooch outdoors. Huh? We got you on a diet? Huh? Try to lose some of that winter weight, Pooch? Huh? Need more adventures. Scooter, Scooter, good Pooch. Lightning bug action. Well, I hope you enjoyed the show, and as always, thanks for watching. Goodbye, everybody. It was nice to see you. Goodbye. Goodbye. Good to see you.